Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Oru Foldable Kayak Beach LT. The Oru Kayak Beach LT is a folding recreation kayak. With a beam of 28 inches and a wide cockpit, the Beach LT is a very stable kayak that's ideal for beginners and families. Designed for day trips and beaches, it even has enough room to accommodate one adult and one child. The Beach LT is built smart and sturdy, and it can be assembled in a flash. Turn spontaneous outings on the water into lifelong memories with the Beach LT. The kayak's construction and materials are the same as the Bay ST and come with the same guarantees. Because of its broader beam and slightly larger storage space, the Beach LT makes an excellent fishing kayak, especially when combined with Oru's fishing kit. The kayak assembly length is 12 feet. Build your kayak in under 5 minutes. Our buckle closure system allows you to quickly and easily assemble the kayak. Oru invented the Beach LT's origami-inspired, foldable structure, so you won't have to spend hours setting up or lugging around a boat. Ordinary personal kayaks weigh between 50 and 80 pounds, but Oru Kayak's cutting-edge materials keep your boat ultralight yet extremely tough. The Oru Kayak Beach LT makes a great addition to a family outing or a trip to the beach. Oru claims it can be assembled in just 3 minutes. However, experienced kayakers may be disappointed in its lack of speed and maneuverability. Our second best foldable kayak is Oru Foldable Kayak Inlet. With our lightweight, foldable kayaks, every lifestyle can include kayaking. The Oru Inlet Folding Kayak is a great example of the Oru product line and is designed to be used recreationally on flat water. Construct your kayak in less than 5 minutes. Our buckle closure system allows you to assemble the kayak quickly and intuitively. Oru pioneered the inlet's origami-inspired, foldable structure, so you won't spend forever setting up or waste time lugging around a boat. It takes 3 to 4 minutes to set up, once you get the hang of it, and it's lightweight enough for easy transport. Oru features an innovative, easily foldable fleet designed with freedom and joy on the water. Oru foldable inlet kayaks are some of the most lightweight and versatile folding kayaks on the market. Oru kayaks are packable and compact without compromising on durability or performance. They feature double-layered hulls that are puncture and scratch resistant. This supplements a range of adjustable amenities, like a spacious cockpit and adjustable foot and backrests. Oru pioneered the inlet's origami-inspired, foldable structure, so you won't spend forever setting up or wasting time lugging around a boat. Third choice in our list is tucktec Advanced Folding Kayak. The tucktec folding kayak features a roll design that makes it extremely compact when packed away. The tucktec has a hard plastic shell and a wide design that aids in kayak stability on the water. If you're looking for a recreational and easy-to-use folding kayak, the tucktec is an excellent choice. It is a 10-foot boat that weighs only 33 pounds but is strong and sturdy enough to carry. It's an ideal travel-friendly kayak canoe for 1 or 2 people. It's relatively easy to set up, and once you've mastered it, you can do so in about 3 minutes. This makes it possibly the fastest folding kayak, which compensates for its lack of tracking ability. It is important to note that the tucktec folding kayak does not perform well in choppy or difficult water conditions, making it best suited for flat water. It has a foldable seat with a backrest. For maximum convenience, the design is easily foldable. It is suitable for both children and adults, whether they are beginners or experts. This kayak also has a folding seat with a backrest. Number 4 on our side is Oru Foldable Kayak Lake. This folding kayak is a kayak that can be folded down. The Oru Foldable Kayak capable of handling a variety of water conditions due to its compact cockpit. It's made from a custom polypropylene and rust-resistant hardware. This folding kayak is also durable and tough, featuring a double-layered hull that is both puncture and abrasion resistant. Oru kayaks undergo extensive strength and durability. Created from 5mm double-layered, custom extruded polypropylene, Oru kayaks are incredibly puncture, abrasion resistant and built to last. A spacious cockpit with clamshell seat ensure maximum comfort. It can fold to the size of a large suitcase and can be stored nearly anywhere. Its buckle deck closure system allows you to assemble the kayak quickly and intuitively. This origami kayak weighs half of a traditional kayak. Treated for 10 years of UV protection. Fits into the trunk of a small car for easy transport when hiking, bicycling, and using public transportation. Your lake is the most convenient, transportable kayak imaginable. Last in our top 5 best foldable kayak list is Advanced Element Sport Kayak. Because of its small size and light weight, it is extremely maneuverable, with tracking and turning performance comparable to that of a hard shell. Although the name suggests sports, this Advanced Elements Advanced Frame Sport Kayak is one of the best folding kayaks for recreational use on our list. To begin with, the 4 inflation chambers make it simple to fill. It is also the lightest and smallest kayak foldable on this list, with a length of 10.5 feet and a weight of 27 pounds. Despite its size, it has plenty of storage space for your belongings. Because it is shorter in length and width, those who are smaller will prefer it to longer kayaks that require more paddling. The most recent version of the kayak has an elevated and more comfortable seat that is suitable for long periods at sea. Furthermore, the Sport is designed to work in all types of water conditions, including gentle or whitewater. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.